Hello everyone, we are from Group H. We want to present about plastic waste. My friends Amanda and Farah will explain about it.
I will give you information about plastic waste. Low cost, lightweight, and resistant, plastic has benefits we cannot deny. But unfortunately, we now see the consequences of our intense use. Little recycling and leak into nature very negatively impact river, ocean, wildlife, and humans. The key issue is that synthetic material such as plastic contain chemical combination, which mean they don't undergo design. A plastic fork used for 15 minutes can take 415 years or more to decompose. What makes it even more challenging is the combination of plastic with other material and the various types. The main differentiation is, first, microplastic, such as bag, cigarette filter, bottles, caps, food containers, coats, or straws are the most visible form of plastic pollution. Second, microplastics are bit smaller than 1/5 of an inch. To take action, we need to understand the wide-ranging negative impacts of the problem. The challenge begins at production. Let's take a look at some of the facts according to the cause of plastic, the economic impact of the plastic challenge by World Finance.
Since 1950, there have been 8.3 billion tons of plastics produced. 6.3 billion tons end up as waste, out of which 9% has been recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% end up in landfill and nature. Most plastic can be recycled. Annual plastic production of 300 million tons, of which 8 tons enter the ocean every year. 50% of annual production is single-use plastic, 26% by volume is packaging. It costs 1 until 2 euros per kilogram production of virgin plastic, and it requires 2 until 3 liters of produce a 1 liter bottle. 99% of plastic are produced from chemical derived from oil, natural gas, and coal, which are non-renewable resources. Only few plastics are recycled. Most of them end up in landfill and ocean, mostly plastic bags. They need a long time to be decomposed. Then, they break down into toxic particles that become part of soil and water.
According to Greenpeace organization, at least 267 marine species are known to have suffered from getting entangled in or ingesting marine debris, with 19% of that is plastic. A plastic bag which is floating in the water and a jellyfish are very difficult to be differentiated. Thus, plastic bags are easily mistaken for food and eaten by marine animals that consume jellyfish. This case makes plastic bags become dangerous for ocean wildlife. Furthermore, plastic bags also give bad effect for our health. The components of plastics polyphenol, polystyrene, polyethylene exgraft can cause health problems such as cancer, birth defects, genetic changes, chronic bronchitis, indigestion, and liver dysfunction. The toxic particle of plastics in the ocean may be involved in food chains to fish and to human consumers. Unconsciously, it causes health problems for us by eating the contaminated fish. In other way, black plastic bags that we usually use to put our food contain higher chemical activities. Because it has been recycled many times, easily, food can be contaminated with high-risk toxic. For example, carcinogens that cause cancer. Considering the effects above, we should be aware that plastics have bad effects to our environment and health. To minimize those effects, from now on we should stop using plastic bags to avoid the bad effect of that. We should switch to reusable bags to the grocery store or for any other shopping activities to reduce consumption of disposable bags. Follow the 4 rubbish whenever possible. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and as much as possible. By doing our part to work toward a sustainable and debris-free planet, we'll also be providing others with inspiration and a good example to follow. As individuals, we have the potential to make a big difference, and together we can change the world.